Best Power Banks. Are you looking for the best power banks? In this video we will look at some of the best power banks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anker MagGo Power Bank 10K. The Anker MagGo 10K Power Bank is a high-performance, portable charger designed for MagSafe users and anyone seeking fast, convenient wireless charging on the go. With a 10,000 mAh capacity and a maximum 15W wireless output, it can deliver over one full charge to an iPhone 15, taking the device from 0 to 70% in just over an hour. Charging from empty to full takes approximately 2 hours and 26 minutes, making it significantly faster than previous models, including Anker's 633, and surpassing other popular options in the MagSafe power bank category. This Qi 2 certified power bank features a reliable magnetic connection that securely attaches to your phone, enabling effortless charging while still allowing for use. The built-in kickstand is surprisingly sturdy, perfect for watching videos or using standby mode in landscape orientation. An intuitive LCD display shows remaining battery percentage and estimated charging or discharging time, keeping you informed at a glance. The MagGo 10K also includes a versatile USB-C port for wired charging, making it compatible with devices that lack wireless support. While optimized for iPhone and other Qi 2-enabled phones, it charges non-Qi 2 devices, such as the Galaxy S23 Ultra, at a standard rate. The included USB-C to USB-C cable ensures fast and efficient charging for both the power bank and connected devices. Compact and portable, the Anker MagGo 10K combines speed, convenience, and versatility, making it one of the best MagSafe compatible power banks available today. Number 2. Anker Nano Battery, Foldable USB-C. The Anker Nano 5000 mAh power bank is a tiny yet powerful portable charger designed for convenience and speed. With a maximum output of 22.5 W, it can bring a fully depleted Galaxy S23 Ultra up to 65% in just about an hour, delivering fast, reliable power on the go. Despite its small size, the Nano packs impressive performance, offering enough energy for quick top-ups and keeping your devices powered throughout the day. Its design is ultra-portable, roughly the size and shape of a lipstick case, making it perfect for slipping into a pocket, purse, or backpack. A built-in USB-C connector folds neatly when not in use, so you don't have to remember a separate charging cable. Additionally, a USB-C port allows the power bank to be recharged itself or to charge other devices with an adapter cable. 4 indicator lights make it easy to see how much battery remains at a glance. The sturdy built-in connection ensures you can comfortably use your phone while charging without awkward angles or interruptions. Its compact form also makes it ideal for topping up earbuds, smartwatches, or other small devices. For those needing more capacity, Anker's 10,000 mAh 30W Nano power bank is an upgraded option, offering a higher output, a display to show remaining charge, and an extra USB-C and /out port alongside a USB-A output. The Anker Nano 5000 mAh combines clever engineering, portability, and fast charging into a small, stylish package, making it an essential travel companion for anyone who wants power on demand. Number 3. Anker 10K Fusion. The Anker 10K Fusion power bank is a versatile, compact charger designed to simplify on-the-go power. With a 10,000 mAh capacity and 30W maximum output, it delivers fast, reliable charging for both iPhone and Android devices. For example, it can charge a Galaxy S23 Ultra from 5% to full in just over an hour and bring a near-dead iPhone 15 to 45% in just 20 minutes. Overall, it provides roughly 1.86 full charges for an iPhone 15 and 1.45 charges for a Galaxy S23 Ultra. What sets the 10K Fusion apart is its thoughtful all-in-one design. It features a built-in USB-C cable for your device and a foldable 2-prong plug for recharging the power bank itself, no need to carry extra adapters or cables. There's also an additional USB-C port for charging other devices or topping up the bank, making it highly versatile. The built-in cable loops neatly like a handle, providing convenient portability, and feels sturdy enough for everyday use. The compact form, just slightly wider than a stick of butter, houses a high-capacity battery without adding bulk. An onboard display accurately shows remaining power in percentage terms, while the textured sides add grip and a fidget-friendly feel. Compared with other options in this category, the Anker 10K Fusion stands out for its speed, convenience, and thoughtful design. It combines portability, fast charging, and multiple features in a single, sleek package, making it an excellent choice for anyone needing a reliable, ready-to-go power source for iPhones, Android phones, and more. Number 4. BioLite Charge 100 Max. The Belkin Boost Charge 20K power bank is a high-capacity, versatile charger designed to keep your devices powered wherever you go. With a 20,000 mAh battery and 30W maximum output, it delivers multiple full charges for smartphones, including 3 to 3.5 charges for an iPhone 15 and 2.5 to 3 charges for a Galaxy S23 Ultra. In testing, it charged a Galaxy S23 Ultra from near empty to full in just 1 hour and 15 minutes, while an iPhone 15 reached 87% in slightly over an hour, providing reliable fast charging for multiple devices. One of its standout features is the built-in USB-C cable, which magnetically tucks away when not in use, solving the common problem of forgetting a charging cable. In addition, the Boost Charge 20K offers 2 other ports, an out-only USB-A and an in/out USB-C port, enabling up to 3 devices to charge simultaneously. Keep in mind that simultaneous use may slightly reduce charging speed and refill time. The battery level is shown via 4 LED indicators, providing a simple but accurate readout of remaining power. Unlike some power banks with full digital displays, these lights are intuitive and practical for quick checks on the go. Belkin also offers multiple color options beyond standard black, including pale pink, blue, and white, all with a matte finish that resists smudges and stays clean easily. Compact yet powerful, the Boost Charge 20K combines smart design, portability, and dependable fast charging, making it an excellent choice for anyone who needs a reliable high-capacity power bank for daily use or travel. Number 5. Anker Laptop Power Bank with built-in cable. The Nimble Champ Pro 20,000 mAh power bank delivers exceptional speed, capacity, and sustainability in one compact package. With 65W maximum output and dual USB-C and/out ports, it can charge smartphones, tablets, and other USB-C devices quickly and efficiently. In testing, it fully charged a Galaxy S22 Ultra from 5% to 100% in under an hour and brought an iPhone 11 up nearly 3 times on a single charge. It also provides enough power to refill an iPad Air almost twice, taking devices from 5% to full in under 2 hours. Beyond performance, the Champ Pro is built with sustainability in mind. Nimble is a certified B Corp, and this battery uses 90% post-consumer recycled plastic and ships in paper scrap packaging. The included shipping bag allows you to send back old batteries or other tech for recycling, reducing e-waste. The battery pack itself is compact, slightly narrower than a smartphone and about the same length, with a marbled recycled plastic finish that is both sturdy and visually appealing. An attached adjustable lanyard adds convenience and style. Both USB-C ports support input and output, enabling simultaneous charging for 2 devices without sacrificing speed. 4 LED indicators show remaining battery, and while early tests sometimes underreported the charge, the pack consistently delivered full charges and additional top-ups, making it reliable in everyday use. The Nimble Champ Pro combines ultra-fast charging, thoughtful design, and eco-friendly materials, making it a standout choice for anyone looking for a high-capacity, portable power solution.